Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to switch your hosting website builder to WordPress website. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your hosting account. Once you're there, you simply click on what? Website list. So guys, you can see this is the website in which we want to switch to what? To WordPress, that is onyori.com. So guys, the only way you can actually switch this to WordPress is that you simply need to what? To delete this site completely. So we're going to click on what? Delete. So we click on this, you're going to lose your email address, your data, and any other stuff on this website. So click on what? Delete. Okay, once you're done with that, you simply click refresh your browser because it's going to take a while. Okay guys, we simply need to add this website back. So we are going to click on what? Add website. So we are going to choose now WordPress. So from there now, we simply need to create our WordPress logins. So I'm going to leave it like that in the default manner. So you can simply insert your admin email address, the one you want to use, and your admin password. So I'm going to click on what's next. Okay guys, from there I want to create a blank website. So I'll simply click on what? Create blank website. So you simply need to choose your domain name. So this one, claim it. From there click on what? Next. Okay guys, it is now installing your WordPress website. This might take a couple of minutes, so you need to wait. Okay, it's now complete. That is your, so that's it. This is our website already on WordPress. So you can see, click on it. So guys, that's actually the way you switch your hosting web builder to WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.